Hi 친구들, I'm your Korean friend Haley. How are you? I'm so happy to see you again. So in this video, we're going to do the level 2 reading practice. In the level 1, we only cover with the first vowel. And then in the level 2, we're going to cover all vowels in Hangeul. And we're going to do from the g sound to the h sound one by one. So I prepared the words that we are going to practice with the level 2. It's very helpful and it will make reading faster and clearer like a Korean natural way. So let's practice. It's gonna be easy and fun. And let's start. Door in Korean is this word. And how to read it is g, a, g, and e. So it's 가게. So 가게. So repeat after me. 가게, 가게. Move on. Hello, this is a song. Song in Korean is this one. And let's find out how to read it. N and O. So it's no. And then L and E. So it's here. So it's nole. In Korean, the pronunciation is 노래. Repeat after me. 노래, 노래. Move on. Oink, oink is a pig. Pig in Korean, let's find out how to read it. D and this one. D and G-E. So it's 돼지. But in Korean, the pronunciation is 돼지. 돼지. And then do you know how Korean pig sounds? Korean pig, it's not oink oink. It's 꿀꿀. 꿀꿀 돼지. Move on. Everybody, yo! It's a rapper. Rapper in Korean is L and A. It's here. It's le and then p and o. So it's lepo. But in Korean, the pronunciation is lepo. Lepo. Good job. Move on. Pear in Korean is this word. This word, how to read it? B, and then it's here. So it's 배. 배. So Korean, 배, 배. And you know what? This word has 3 meanings. Actually, pear, as I told you, and the second one is boat. Boat is 배. And then number 3, stomach is also 배. So 3 meanings in this one word. 배. Remember it? 배. Move on. A whole new world. World in Korean is this one. How to read it? S, and then A is here. So it's 세. And then G, and it's here. So it's 세계. 세계. So the world is 세계. Good job. Move on. I want to sit on chair. Chair in Korean is this one. And as I told you, the first consonant doesn't have any sound, so I'm not going to read it. I'm going to read only this vowel. This vowel is here, so it's 의. 의, and then j and a. So it's 의자. 의자 in Korean is 의자. 의자. Okay? Oh, I want to sit on 의자. Move on. Do you like Mickey Mouse? Mouse in Korean is this one. And how to read it? First of all, it's j, and then it's e. So it's g, g. So the mouse is g, g. Move on. 친구들, you're the best. Best in Korean is this one. And how to read it? It's ch, and then it's 왜. And then g and 오. So it's 최고. In Korean is 최고. 최고. You are 최고. Move on. My favorite dessert is cake. Cake in Korean is, let's find out. 크, and then it's 에. And then I told you the first consonant's circle doesn't have any sound, so only the vowel part. E, and then 크 and 으. So 케이크. In Korean, it's cake. Cake. Repeat after me. What is my favorite dessert? Cake. Cake. Great job. Move on. 친구들, what is this? It's a tape. Tape in Korean is this one. And how to read it? It's tu and e The first syllable is te. The first consonant circle doesn't have any sound, so I'm just gonna read the vowel. So vowel is E, right? Good. And then it's P and U. So it's tape, tape. So tape. You can see the word here, right? Tape, tape. Great job. Move on. Do you like fast food? Find out how to read it. So the first one is P. And it's A. So it's pe, pe, and then S and U. So it's pe, S. The third one is T and U. So the fast part in Korean is pest, pest, pest. And then we're going to read the food part. So food in Korean is it's P and U. D and U sound. So food in Korean is food. Fast food in Korean is fast food. Fast food. Do you like fast food? Move on. The next one is a company. Company in Korean is this word, and find out how to read it. The first one is who, and this one. The first syllable is hue, hue, and then 스, so it's 회사. But in Korean, it's 회사, 회사. So the company is 회사. Good job. Move on. Did you enjoy reading practice? I enjoyed it so much. I love practicing with you, 친구들. I'm so happy that you followed this lecture. I understand this process is not really fun. You have to practice and practice, and practicing is so hard. I've been there too. I understand that. But if you overcame this part, and then your Korean level is going up so high. So let's Hwaiting until that came. So let's Hwaiting, everyone. So Hwaiting! Thank you so much for studying with me, Haley, and see you next time. As I told you, this is level 2, and I'm going to come with the level 3. Please, looking forward to the level 3 video as well. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe my channel. I am uploading every week, so you can meet me more often in the YouTube. And I'm also running the Instagram and my website, so you can find me over there too. So thank you, 친구들. See you next time. 안녕!